I had a few short hours to use the new MacBook Pros, whether they were sported the new M3, M3 Pro, or M3 Max chips. These things are just as powerful as before, perhaps even more so, but without spending weeks with the thing, it's hard to tell just how much. The M3 Pro-powered Macs can play some games, and in running around in Baldur's Gate 3 or Lies of P, there weren't really too many frame rate drops. I noticed most of these were also set to medium, so the laptops may strain to play these newer games at the highest settings. Again, that's something we need to test more. The M3 Max chip is designed for the creative professional who needs to run multiple intensive programs at once, like animation or 3D rendering. The top-of-the-pack MacBook Pro comes with a whopping 128 gigs of memory, and Apple did show it has enough power to run most of the software on multiple monitors. But wait, wasn't there another product Apple showed off? Oh yeah, it's new 24-inch iMac, also powered with M3. Sure, this thing can run straight in high settings, but Apple barely dedicated 2 minutes to this desktop PC in its 30-minute product announcement. It's a relatively subdued refresh. Even the company's mouse, keyboard, and trackpad are still using lightning cables instead of switching to USB-C. We may need to wait another year or more for something more dramatic, like a 32-inch iMac. That being said, the real reason Apple is promoting these products late in the year is to kick its laptop sales into gear for the holiday season. The company kept mentioning how much better the M series chip is compared to the old Intel chips. Apple wants the pre-2020 MacBook Pro users to finally make the switch to Apple Silicon. Will a black color do the job? What was that, Bruce?
Does it come in black?
Yes, Bruce. It comes in black. I already told you.